Good evening, people of Ambazonia, Southern Cameroons. Nami Mulawonja don't come for greet everybody. I don't come today. I don't tell plenty people say I no go like for the make video every time. But if something there will be very important, I go come up, I talk am, and I go talk am as the thing day. As I don't introduce myself, my name na Mulawonja Mbua, where everybody know me, and I did for revolution for the Ambazonia Southern Cameroon people. We be activists way with the say the right thing. We know the fear because we don't put face up front. And I believe say everybody where they put the face up front, a person don't decide to dedicate himself for the particular struggle. I go want to send greetings to all our brothers, our sisters, all those who are suffering back home, those who are in the bushes, everybody waiting for Nigeria like refugee or any other country. We believe say no be only for Nigeria where people dey. So when they don't go Ghana where we don't know. So when they don't go other countries, Togo, Benin. So we know if we trace everybody, but the people where they don't register, where we understand, it go over 180,000 people. Well, I don't come this evening for give congratulations to we ground forces. We know they hide anything again. We give congratulations to we ground forces, we self-defense forces, where they help we for secure with people them, we citizens, we parents them, we sisters, our children, and our homeland, our territory as a whole. Yeah, we don't come for tell them, say thank you for the tremendous job with they do. Yes, I go first of all, I want to talk with some group of people there where they talk say they be Amber Boys, where they exist around the area of Moyuka, Ekona, Moya, my 18, Bumaka, my 16, right to Boya. There are some guys who are lying. They are thieves. These guys are being sent by La République. They send threats for many people them. Say they want, if they don't give them a ransom, they go kill them or they go attack their family or this and that or they go burn their houses. I go one come for disclaim them, say, well, Amber Boys them, when are real, they need to do such things. So anybody where they go threatening, may send with the people they are named for, we will go send the real Amber Boys and make them meet up them personally. Because we get a tracking device now for Europe and America, will fit catch anybody, no matter where you call, we will get you. So the message you go for any man where they don't threaten him is Special Higher Foundation. I read something and I don't talk with the director for Higher Foundation. Say, may no fear, may send with that number. We go track that person and we go send the real boys and when the Amber boys they go meet them. So may no fear. Now me I don't pass that message. Mula wonja, now me I pass that message. Now my environment now my constituency that way I belong for Fako. So if any foolish people they come on here on the Douala, or they don't form group on Njume Franklin send them. May they do all that nonsense or get money for can fight the real Amber boys them with the way to now. So may no man no fear. No Amber boy no they threaten people for money. The real Amber boys doesn't do that. So may all man take note. Any man where they threaten it, may he send the number for we here. Go for my Facebook page. Send them inbox the number for me. We get people that when a big IT guy them, they go track the number and we know who they call. We go send the Amber boys for them. So I plead everybody where they don't threaten me for nothing, where they call send the Amber boys. First of all, may they forget about that, no be Amber boys. Good. I don't come for that point. Another point where me I want to talk on today. Yes, with the talk, another problem, something the way they pass on social media. Where any person, when a real human being, this message could go for the international community. For anybody, when a real human being, where a woman don't born it don't suck breasts for a mommy, you know go see, they go kill a woman with the children them in a cold-blooded way. Shooting them live bullets. A young child behind the woman's back, a young baby, was killed live. And we condemn the fight where we fight with these demonic people. This message may go for Franklin Jume. This is a very guy. When I came, I said no school. He came and opposed me. A guy living in Victoria, Elimbe. Franklin Jume, I've got all your messages. I think you have never met who is called Mula Wonja. One day you will meet me physically. If God doesn't do all parts, you will meet me physically one day. You are threatening the Amazonian boys. You are threatening the Amazonian population. You are using the name of Southwest. Yes, because maybe Atanganji, Ekema, and the rest, they don't join. For give money may form vigilante guys for attack the Amber boys. Try that one, they go wipe you plus your family or idiot. You fool. Now, if you be correct man, you the wear glasses or make video, can't show your face clean. If you be fine man, idiot, what thing like you. When people they make video, they make noise. Now so you, this Jume Franklin. When I talk say me school no be, you go oppose me, say who be me. You know me. You know if you know me, idiot. You fool. Now they make that country the bad. When they want fix country, now they for spoil them because of greed and languor. If you be real person where get sense, you know go see the way where they might treat people with people their parents say bush. You come up for Tombe. Tombe don't be in a place where people need stay. For if you talk say make that she don't, they say they go fix the country. Now they instead give up your bad advice. Oh una so una dey una plenty. I know your group. Tell man where they send you where we can't talk about me. I know the person. And I go deal with una one. Now me I dey talk. Look me fine. Yeah? Franklin Jume. Any audio one at the year for Franklin Jume. May all man ignore him. He's a banger smoker. A drug addict. You don't even know what he talk. So now keep it one side. That one I on talk make government to hear he. It to define ministerial position. Minister of Education as a primary school teacher. He expected to give Minister of Primary and Nursery Education. Yes, because you support Pobia. Stupid people, now no get sense. Now we get to fight the fight all now for down day. We for diaspora, we fight this fight and say, me una dey fight. We don't need una. We don't need that place. Matter una. If una no know, ask any man don't be Europe or America for 10 years. If you come back home, where you know you still go she don't dey, that will be fool. We don't need it. We define and say more than they fine. More tell than more than no today. So many people not feel safe because we try for support anyway, morally, financially, anyway want support. When I want to take them, therefore accuse we say that we the cause problem. They go punish you yet, fool. I hope that God will listen to my word when I talk. One day this thing will turn up for you. You know how many people they don't kill them? If your own village said yesterday, you know how many people don't die? You did talk I want to go form vigilante as a Southwest or fight other people. Who tells you the group that are only Northwesterners in the day? Who tell you? Now this one I don't get sense. I don't know what type of education I get them. Try for reason, my man. If you make that type of audio again next time, I bet you I think you will find yourself to be blamed. Don't forget that one. Yes. I don't come now for the struggle. Ground zero. Yes. We don't see and say we boys them, they don't collaborate. They're now in a good terms. A lot of problems no they happen again. And I think that will want time. So now till we to the call. We people there for year, we for Europe. May we to try, we learn how to come together anyway. We don't come together from where the interim vice president talked today, Sako, for Punchline TV. He said there is no problem, there is no division. Any division will happen as some few number of people where they don't send them. May they come for disturb the whole struggle. So may no man no fear. We for Europe, I will tell you, my name na Mola Wunja. I don't tell you many times. We did totally united. Any man say we not unite, we are not saying a lie. Not be politics. This is not politics. We have really united. Likewise, people for down, those our ground fighters, they too don't unite. Because together we are united, the harder we come. So, please, make people stop the propaganda where they carry and say interim government, IG, never unite with AGC. Of course, people don't unite. We don't unite. If you not take note, people come, they criticize AGC, say they go show off for some town. Well, I not be that kind of person. For me, na good thing where they do. I make like Republicans say, we don't win some town them. Me, I know the fear. I'm not there for side for take side because they support this man. No. Na good thing. Na good thing. Anytime when they take, I make a put flag, they holler. Not no wrong day. If the treaty, it go make them to the no say we to when international community go no say we to the win the grounds. So not no wrong when agency they be do that. So I want to thank the AGC or Sukadev them or ADF. Anything where they do for ground zero, may they not only fight, may they continue the fight. They work in collaboration with the other people, the Amazonian Defense Council and one Amazonian Self-Defense Council. May all them work together so that when we don't be together, we build a very strong institution where we country will be strong. So may no man, no fool, we don't unite here. Dr. Sako, they talk with Ayabacho, with Apanga, everybody, they talk together. So may no man no think say we get any problem. There is no problem. Any man want bring problem, we get to move it out. That's what this struggle don't be. It don't reach a point where we no get to take sides. We no get to take sides. Any man will take sides. No be man will dey inside this revolution. Any man will he take side or you support somebody because of love. Or because the woman where you want, make that man tomorrow he gives more money, you not go enjoy. No. That one take out of this struggle now. Any man where do that nonsense, we just take it out of the struggle. So my boys are for ground zero. I did tell una try for make investigation for that boys and where they don't come out na Yaounde and Douala, where they can't lie say they be Amber boys, where they fool people, take people their money, hijack people for Kumba, they the fool woman, they go rape them. So make we catch them. And if we not catch them, my brother, if we not catch them, we not just take them for the most dangerous Amber prison. The dangerous one where they need to see them again. They stand on the ground. That's why it's dark. We not put them there. Every day we not go, we not give them one heart stroke with iron for their last. They go call their friend and make all them wrong go back. We not kill them. No. We not kill them. Put them on the ground. They will not put heat. Put heat may burn their skin. Fine. Make them feel say this, so no kill them, no kill them. Put heat on the ground, make burn them. Make them feel say this, so wait till they do and so no correct. So I totally condemn that people, that army them, where they go kill that woman with the pikin. We don't send them for international court. This foolish Issa Churuma with a big mouth come and sit and say that, oh, yeah, it's a Photoshop. How can you, a big man like you, a fool, a big fool? You did lie. So they go can't lie plus your own picking the way you born them. Where they die America. We know say you're picking a day. I don't tell you this. As soon as I know so day, that's all know say you're picking a day. We know the way they England here. We know the way they America. We know them. So nothing say with the fear. Issa Churuma, they talk for you. You don't overdo bad things then. For calm down situation, una the escalator. Every day one bad thing must happen for Cameroon. Every day one bad, evil, demonic thing will happen. There's some fool they go sit down there. Oh, let's go for election. Oh, let's support this. May God punish una. May God punish all una. They let people the fear for tell una. Mona be very, very careful. Any man where they support that demonic government, may not say it too is a demonic person. Now me I don't talk. We dey watch una carefully. I dey call all my ground zero guys them. Una no fear. We don't adjust all thing. Everything dey move smoothly. So there's no problem. So we dey try now for say, may we see how we enforce the struggle here and ground zero. Because if we strong here, that's all the empower una two for day. So me no man no fear. My name na Mulawunja. I don't call my name 20 times. People know me. Thank you very much. Wait me for next video. Anything will be important, I go bring her up. So I call all Ambazonians. May nobody must stop this thing for criticize, insulting this. It no go help for this struggle. When to go help for this struggle? Now if we did talk one voice. If someone do something wrong, may they not bring her for social media. May they call it, send some people, they say you do wrong. Now all that I go advise all man. I give you now 3 months or 2. If they no call for negotiation, when I change my name from what I said today. Thank you very much. God bless Ambazonia. Mulawunja. Bye.